executing complex engineering projects with speed and precision. That's the dream for any manufacturer. Well, the sheet metal design team at HitechDigital made this dream a reality for a leading manufacturer of open-air steel structures in the US. We cut down turnaround time by an impressive 50% on over 1,800 shelter structure drawings. Here's the business requirement: generating top-quality, metal-based shelter drawings with unique geometries and materials from 3D SolidWorks models. Leveraging our extensive expertise in metal fabrication, along with a top-down design approach, we streamlined every process to ensure each design met the highest quality standards before hitting the manufacturing floor. Here's how we pulled it off. We verified the 3D models against structural calculations and client specifications, addressing any deviations. We then generated production drawings from the models, adhering to international drawing standards. Finally, all drawings underwent a thorough quality check, scrutiny against fixed benchmarks by both the drafting team and a peer team before being uploaded back to the client's server. From comprehensive 3D models to detailed manufacturing drawings, our team handled it all. The result? Over 1,800 detailed manufacturing drawings and models delivered flawlessly 50% of the time, enabling our client to exceed production and installation goals. At HitechDigital, we turn complex challenges into engineered successes.